Hello, everyone. I'm Jessica Lewis. I'm a corporate educator for the Molina Healthcare Operations Department. I wear many hats at Molina, but they are all centered around developing and improving both the operational processes and the technical training for my department. When it comes to instructional system design and technology, I would describe myself as a jack of all trades and master of none. I possess a solid knowledge base of learning sciences and do my best to use the theories to create quality learning experiences. I'm a firm believer of active learning in both principle and practice. I always incorporate learn by doing activities and assessments in my designs, and I utilize pre-existing schemas and scaffolding to help learners understand complex concepts and techniques. I'm fairly versed in authoring tools like Articulate and Camtasia, and I'd like to think my graphic design abilities and video editing skills are quite strong. I work with the company's LMS to upload learning objects, create user groups and learning assignments, and pull reporting. I facilitate many a course and spend many an hour coaching my teammates on any of the above. Recently, I started taking a more active role in identifying training effectiveness after training, using data-driven insights to determine return of investment. My greatest strength is coming up with ideas to improve our courses based on the new knowledge I continue to acquire and getting my team on board. That is what I'm best at, and I keep learning new ways to do it. This doctoral program has spurred my interest and investigation now into more ways to do it through learning engineering, human performance technology, and AI-assisted learning. What I've learned and applied so far in this program has helped me focus on the direction I want to go. But in order to move in that direction, I need to become versed in software engineering, delve a bit deeper into the world of learning management systems, connect with experts in that realm, and possibly leave the comfort and stability of my position at Molina. My end goal is to build an automated auditor and AI test learners that can be integrated into learning management systems to measure quality and effectiveness of digital courses. I know, it's a lofty goal, and any strides in that direction would involve gaining some data engineering expertise and networking enough to find someone or a team of someones to help me build it. I was finally granted SQL access just the other day. Now that's a start, but I'll need to harness all the volition I have to become a jack in that trade. And networking, that's something I struggle with, mostly because I'm afraid, but I need to muster up the courage to put my fear aside so I can move forward and get the resources I need to succeed. All the challenges I face, at least at Molina, seem to be centered around a lack of resources, access to technology, competing priorities of not only my work projects, but of the teams I've collaborated with, gaps in my team's knowledge and expertise about instructional design, constantly evolving processes and restrictions, and business buy-in and financial support. It's like a vicious cycle. We need to improve processes, work smarter, and get projects done faster to keep up with the times. But in order to build or investigate the tools and implement the processes that will aid in that endeavor, it takes time and resources that we can't allocate because our processes are antiquated and we're too busy working inefficiently. By the time something gets pushed through, we find ourselves once again behind. In other words, with the instructional design and technology world constantly evolving, it's difficult to keep up. I thought after this program I would be done with learning, but I'm coming to find out that this is really only the beginning. I need to continue learning, and the most valuable learning experiences for me are through projects and people. They have both opened my eyes to concepts, ideas, and solutions I might not have discovered on my own, help me find direction and refine my vision and technical skill set, and help me understand where my limits lie, where I need help, and how I can find it. Fingers crossed my company will agree to allocate the resources to send me to the ADT conference next year. If not, I might have to set up a GoFundMe to get there. Either way, I'll be there because I know how valuable it is to learn more and meet folks within this industry who know more. So here's to a lifetime of learning and discovery and finding out whatever lies ahead.